Check out Rowan, the eastern rat snake in the Toyota Yaris, who is going to sneak into my following distance space just as I start to get moving while leaving a safe distance.
Camera, asshole.
You saw him turn his head towards me to yell something at me. I don't know what he was speaking. I am sure it was toilet mouth language. He also threw his hands up in a wavy motion. Just because you have a turn signal doesn't equate to that you can just snake into someone's following distance, and he already turned on his signal just as he was changing lanes. I did not have enough time to see his signal. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.